Hello! Kamusta? Okay, so, ito na naman ako. So, today is October 15 and 26 days to go na lang. And it's actually lunch time right now. So, I just thought of making another video for you guys. And wala lang, just to reflect lang din. For anything else, ayun, I just want to talk about having our mental health in check, lalo na sa mga pirang araw na ito. One lecturer said isang araw na if there's one thing that we should be preparing for, it's actually our mental health. Kailangan mentally prepared daw kami before itong board exam, and it comes in knowing that we cannot really finish it all, but you know, having the right mindset, having the right heart regarding the exam is of utmost importance times na to. Okay, and another, I just realized for the past few days na it's really important to take breaks and to take rests na talagang i-balance lahat, because it's somehow hard to battle na hindi ka okay. Parang you have to respect your break times, kasi if you respect your break times, you would also somehow give your all kapag nag-aaral ka na. So balance lang talaga. And of course, ayun nga, lately lang din, I was praying and all, and it was impressed to me na perhaps right now I'm writing many things about for the exam, ganyan. Pero in the near future, the same pen, the same hand will also write, diba, patient histories in the future, and marami pang iba. So kapit lang. So with that, those are just the updates. Patapos na rin pala yung phase X namin this week, and we will be turning to phase 3 na. So abangan, joke. So I will just be sharing my quick reflections regarding the subjects that I have, and isa doon, and actually sabay ko silang i-share lang. Pharmacology and microbiology. Ayan, so microbiology, ito na yung quote ko. Happiness is never found until we have the grace to stop looking for it, by James I. P. Then pharmacology, happiness is a perfume you cannot pour on others without getting a few drops on yourself, by Ralph Waldo Emerson. So tatry kong ilagay yung mga quotes na yun sa description. Pero these two subjects are actually very close to each other. So actually maganda na inaaral din talaga siya ng sabay. And for one, hirap na hirap ako sa pharmacology actually, because it's parang before mo talaga ma-encounter yung makis, it's pure memorization. And dati, believe it or not, ang alam ko lang talagang gamot ay paracetamol. Before ano pa, med school. Totoo. No? So, kaya ngayon na inaaral ko na siya, and somehow correlate na sila to each other. One thing I appreciate with these two subjects is that para ka kasing nasa parang battle mode, no? Parang ito yung pharmacology, ito yung armamentarium mo actually, na magagamit mo in the future talaga to treat and to manage. And tatlo yung palagi ko iniisip dito sa dalawang subject pag inaaral ko, even sa iba rin mga subjects. Number 1, know your enemy. So, ginay si microbiology. It's important, like, parang yun nga, aralin mo yung enemy mo. Aralin mo yung mechanisms niya, aralin mo yung defenses niya, yung resistances niya, no, yung mga bacteria, yung mga viruses. Alamin mo kung paano siya gumagalaw, paano siya umaatake, paano siya nagtatago, no, paano niya pinapalabas yung mga symptoms na to. Then, pangalawa, know your weapon. So, ito na si pharmacology. And, syempre, yung weapon, meron siyang pros and cons, no? So, yung weapon, meron siyang strengths and weaknesses. So, for example, so strengths, ito talaga yung parang forte niya, ganyan. Tapos, weaknesses, syempre, meron siyang mga side effects, mga things na pwedeng magkaroon ng different effect doon sa patient. And parang andun ka bilang doktor to know how it works. And pangatlo, actually know your battleground. So, yan na yung host factors na tinatawag, no? Knowing the patient, no? Kung ano ba yung ginagalawan mong field. Bata ba to? Elderly ba to? May sakit ba siya? May history ba siya of that? So, iba-ibang battleground, iba-ibang kaso, iba-ibang katawan, iba-ibang storya. And when this two intermix and knowing those information, you can really, yun yung maganda kasi it's life-saving. It's really a battle. And parang ikaw yung commander ng battle na yun. Okay? So, ayun. Then, in addition na lang, marami pa iba eh, pero yun lang yung main. Of course, legal med, and lang. Sabi dito, the really happy person is the one who can enjoy the scenery even when they have to take a detour. By Sir James Jeans. Hindi ko alam kung may connect siya sa legal med, pero siguro, ang na-appreciate ko sa legal med is it lets us be aware of our role inside the society and how we are protected by laws and we are expected to do the duties and regulations that we should do as doctors. And hindi lang siya basta-basta lang. Meron talagang mga factors na kailangan i-consider regarding it. So, parang ina-emphasize niya lang na we are societal beings in a way. And ang sarap pa sa akin actually ng legal ed kasi parang siyang breather din sa mga mabibigat na subjects. So, walang pahinga na. Basta ka ng legal ed. Then, ayun lang naman. Those are just quick reflections kasi ayan, 12:15 na, no? Kailangan na ulit mag-aaral. Pero mag-lunch muna ako. So, that's all. If you're still here listening, let's not just count the days, but let's make the days count. And as always, go in grace, live in love, and of course, keep the faith. Alam!